Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dave's Garage. We have something pretty unique and special today, like we always do. So this is a rather large dent in a Chevy Equinox, and we're gonna attempt to repair this for this customer today. So this dent right here, it's in an awkward spot. So it's above the door handle, it's below the body line, it actually goes through the body line a little bit. This is usually kind of sealed in. There's some structural integrity on the back side of the panel that kind of makes this dent a little hard to get to. Now this dent is about, here's a 3-inch card, so it's about 4 inches up into the body line a little bit. There's actually a small dent back here as well. My plan of attack on this particular damage, we're going to remove the interior trim of the door panel. We're also going to remove the belt molding, and we're going to see what kind of access we have back there. We may need to do some glue pulling from the outside and then get a tool on it, fishing out. So we'll get stripping the door and we'll see how we go. Okay, so my lovely assistant, Miss Kayla, she did the crown work, knocked down some of the crowns, did it really quick, just to kind of loosen up some of the metal. So I'm going to try to glue pull some of this from the outside and get some more of this metal moving now that Kayla's loosened it up. So. Okay, so that last round of glue pull brought this out quite a bit. So the thing's pretty much out. We have a few other issues. There's a couple low spots here. This is where I glue pulled, so this is a little bit high. You can see how the metal is kind of what we call oil can. Now it's not really tight. This will get brought back up flat when we start to tool the metal a little bit. It'll tighten up the molecules in that metal and when we bring it up a little flatter. So we're gonna do a little bit more crown work. I'm gonna have to knock down some of these high spots, and then we'll get a tool on it and start pushing out the metal from the backside and tightening that metal back up so it stays flat, so it doesn't work. So we'll get the tool now. Okay, got my window guard in, window wedge, pop the belt molding up just a little bit, and now we're going to get to tooling the back side of the dent, tighten up this metal quite a bit more, and get it flat. So here we go. Okay, and we're all finished. Dent came out nice. It's very flat. There was a little excess hole here that I was able to pop this plug out and get a tool right on the damage. So it's flat. Our oil canning is gone now. The tooling stiffened it up quite a bit, and the body line's back into shape. This little dent's good over here. I think the customer will be very satisfied with this. So thanks for watching, and once again, don't forget to like and subscribe for new original content.